this is what we got right here. We're gonna form each one of these. This is concrete class, so we're gonna form this right here using concrete. Well, using lumber. So I got them working in teams. So we got these guys working in teams. Everybody, they're trying to work this thing out. They're trying to make sure that all the dimensions are going to be good. So that's what they're doing. Probably one of the hardest ones that they're going to have to deal with is going to be this guy right here. There's a lot of little detail going on here. That's a step that they got to do. I think everybody's starting off with these two. And then I think they'll all pull together at the end and do the step. So was that working good, man? And they're giving us an inspection. Hydrogen peroxide. Medicine. I got something in the medicine thing. There you go. Did you pop yourself?
Well, no, it's just that abrasion I got from that motorcycle.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, just spray it on there. Oh, yeah, we got what you need, buddy.
Slope in. Yeah. So this is the line, measure from this line. This one gotta be, it's still, yeah, that was still. Yeah, this is put it right here.
You working on that, right?
So, basically, guys, basically, guys, they have the freedom to do it the way they're going to do it. Once they get the concrete poured and formed, it needs to meet the criteria that I have on the board. The dimensions have to be exact. But they have the freedom to figure out which direction they want to go in as far as doing this whole project. See.
in class.
Just need screws.
Yeah, I need screws and I need batteries. I don't think these batteries. How can I find that?
No, let's get this guy right here. Here you go.
No.
Yeah, that's it.
Batteries.
That's a bad. I got some batteries right here. There you go.
That is. And screws would be.
You need the screws or the bits. That's the bits. And then you know your fastener is gonna be right here. So you may have some screws. You may be able to find what you're looking for. Drywall screw. Well, you know I got all kind of stuff in there.
Nails. I find it.
Yeah, I got another. I got something else over there too. For, see, we got something in here.
Ain't gonna be too long.
I'm gonna sit right here. That's the gun, right?
Yeah, they got
Okay.
gun.
Okay.
This is right here for that gun, right?
Correct. Crown, how you come along, man? What you think? Are you understanding what's going on? Good deal. Is it making sense to you now?
You need like two for each side.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you guys on it. All right.
Man, we're good on measurements. That piece big enough. But,
So what's y'all role right now, man? What you guys doing though? You guys
I just kind of moved off by myself for a little bit to go ahead and
get the pieces.
get this for that.
Oh, okay. And those guys are working on that right there, right? I got you.
We already got that one knocked out for the.
Okay, good deal. Good deal.
That one, and then I already got the string and all that for that one. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and get the pieces for this.
You think you guys gonna have enough time today to get it all put together and we pour today, or we gonna have to pour when we come back?
Maybe. I mean, if we can find the pieces and move everything quick enough, man.
What kind of pieces you need? I mean, we got plenty
We
of
already
pieces.
got everything. But,
Oh,
you know,
okay.
we just need the saw because we ain't trying to move the big piece. It was from other pieces.
You need a
That
saw?
one is good as well.
What you need?
Oh, we already got the saw. We just need an extension cord now.
Oh, okay. Well, here goes the extension cord. Let me show you. Look, here go one right here. Come here. This is our bunker, guys. This is our Desert Storm bunker. Yeah. Take this. Take this. Yeah. All right. Anything else, guys? Y'all need anything else? Y'all good? Oh, y'all working over here? Okay. Y'all got a saw? Good deal. Okay, good deal. I got another gun over here if you guys need to shoot. Hmm?
We surmise that there's a difference in our measurement because there's a difference in the thickness. We expected to use another 1-inch piece of wood over here, but we didn't think about it and got a 2x4. That ain't gonna work. So,
It could.
well, what we need to do is instead of having it all the way in there, bag it out a little bit.
That's why I said it could. Yeah.
Right.
That it don't really matter about that thickness and stuff like that. Long as when you tear them forms off, you got the right thickness and the right length and width. Oh. Was that's the vice grips? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I should have some. I don't have any in there. I got a metal blade.
Smaller square.
Hmm?
A small square like this. Nah.
Yeah, you got all kind of stuff.
Let me get mine out my.
Here you go.
I guess I could.
Yeah, you can slide it down like this right here. Here you go. Hey.
We expect this to be 1 inch thick, but we use 2x4 instead.
I mean, we got a bunch of little stuff up in here.
Okay.
All right. He need vice grips. Let's see if I got some vice grips in here.
Got some in my truck.
Yeah, that's what we were gonna do. This one on the inside.
I got a metal blade. You can saw that off.
Okay, well let's do it. Here. So this is as far as 2x4 you go right there. You need to stop right there.
Hey, Mr. Scott, how can you make sure that's gonna be square when you do it? Yeah. Just checking. I was just checking. There you go. Yeah, you can borrow. Yeah, no, that's good. My bad. Hey, yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, he's gonna shoot sparks. You might want to move, Mr. Banks. I'm glad you had your goggles on. Actually, you got the best thing on. You got goggles. I almost lost my eye one time with that. Oh, that'll heal real quick, but your eyes, you know. I feel a little jealous, man. I feel like I need to get in here and get something done, man. Was your own or off? How many inches y'all? About how long?
I got a strain too, and he's gonna be watching this like.
I ain't messing with you. I would use this one right here. Now you're gonna have to be extremely careful with that guy right there. All right.
I don't have normal fingers like this.
Yeah, you got the pusher. So you got a pusher on it.
Well, I'm only going right here.
So. You can work it, but if you get right up in here, push it. All right.
How do I adjust?
Huh? Okay. Yeah, just pop it out. You can. Yeah, there you go.
Take screws out of wood. I mean, nails out of wood. Mister had a clean cut. This my clean cut.
Oh, you got a good one?
I had a good one.
What'd you cut it with?
By hand saw.
The saber or the skill? Where's it at? Oh, you did it out there. So you feel a little bit more comfortable with that saw now, right? Yeah, I mean you didn't like that thing at first, did you? Did it work?
It did.
Well, I tell you just got to figure out a way. That's the name of the game. Yeah, you can go through that, man, and see if you can find what you need, man. You might have to take everything. I may have to take everything out just to see it on the table. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one that you can pull that stuff out with. Hey, Zach, that's what you pull it out with right there. Now that works better. There you go. No. Well, the grip pad you grab, that's the best one to pull those. Yeah. Somebody need to make another tool. They need to start selling a tool to do that specifically for that. Did you get it, Chris? Did you get it right? You didn't mess it up, did you?
I went on the inside of the curve, put it on the outside.
Them boys right there, you over there with, man, they might make you cut it again now. What's up, man? What you figuring out now? You like you thinking? What you got?
I'm just trying to think about that little string because I figured they was going to be finished before I came up.
So you trying to figure out how to make that semicircle?
Yeah, so the concept, but then it's like
find the center of the circle, right?
Put that nail on
Put that nail there. Take the rest. There you go. Take your pencil. There you go. Okay. All right. You with it. You got it. All right, guys. This is gonna be to be continued.